This is a message to the people of Earth. What in the galactic universe are you guys doing? Alright? You guys are letting a virus destroy your entire planet? If anybody's going to destroy your entire planet, it's going to be me. Darth motherfucking Vader, okay? All you guys have to do is stay home. That's it. Just stay home. How hard is that? Not hard, alright? Just use the Force. I could force choke you from 30,000 light years away. Okay? You can stay inside of your house. It's not that difficult. I promise. Alright? And people out there are dying. That's right, they're dying. And what are you doing? You're going to Publix and you're buying 35 packs of toilet paper. Yes, that's right. I know about that. And how does that make you feel? Did you just say good? Okay, listen. After this broadcast, I'm gonna need you to text me, okay? I think you'd be perfect for the dark side. I actually think you could be a really, really great Supreme Leader one day, okay? So text me. And then, you guys want this stimulus check. Like you expect to get rewarded after not listening to instructions. What is this, the public education system? Okay, do you know who doesn't have the coronavirus? Me. And do you know why? Because of this sweet mask. And do you know why I've worn this sweet mask for half of my life? Because of you. You humans are crazy, okay? Don't think I haven't seen Tiger King, because I have. And you guys are freaks. I knew that one day that one of you would eat a bat and start spreading this shit, okay? So I started to wear a mask. But there's still hope, okay? Because of these economic hardships, I've actually started mass producing these masks, alright? So you guys can get one too. Alright, for just 10 easy payments of $69.69, alright, you can have one of these sweet masks as well. So slide into my DMs. I got you. Okay? So seriously, alright, you guys need to stay the fuck home. Okay? Everybody's laughing at me right now. Alright? If you guys die and it's not because of me, okay, I'm gonna be the laughing stock of the entire universe. So please, get it together. I'm begging you. God, where's my inhaler?